everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. Today I wanna show you how you can make a so smooth and easy coconut ice cream at home. So guys, I'm gonna start with the coconut. I'm gonna break it from the middle, but be careful to your hands. So I am peeling the skin off. Now cut it small. So now add it inside to the blender. Also the juice. So now close the top and we're gonna blend it. And then I have here coconut milk. We're not gonna use the upside, we turn it over. So we take the milk out. And the fat what is here, putting inside to our ice cream. Half of it gonna be enough. After when we blend it, I'm gonna remove to the another cup. So after that I have here 200 ml of cream and 100 gram of sugar. Mix it together and heat it up. When it's coming to stop, we're gonna remove it from the heat. When the sugar is melted up, I'm adding the cream inside to the cocos. So now mix it together once and after leave to the fridge till it's getting cooled down. How you see, I have ice cream machine here, but you can do the same recipe without the ice cream machine. Just you have to mix it in deep freeze every 15 minutes and in the end it will be nice, smooth and creamy. So I am adding the mixture inside slowly and gently. So guys, thanks for watching. This was my coconut ice cream recipe. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video. Goodbye.